Hello everybody, welcome back to another video. My name is Mike. Whether you are a beginner, an intermediate, or even an advanced learner of the English language, you must acknowledge that this language has some sounds that can be challenging, or they can even sometimes cause trouble to non-native speakers. That's why in this video, I am going to be discussing the sound J as in judge. So keep watching. All right. Welcome back. The production of the J sound, J as in join. We know this sound is a very common sound in English, and it is used in different words in different areas or fields. So the phonetic representation of it is the D and the Z. And here we have an illustration on how the sound is supposed to be made. So let's check how to make the sound. First, place the tip of your tongue just behind the hard ridge at the front of the top of your mouth. This is like this. Then vibrate your vocal cords and push air throughout your mouth. So there is vibration. This sound is voiced. And third, in microseconds, you have to stop the air completely at first and then release it. This creates some kind of friction. So let's go ahead and take a look at this quick video and check how we can make the sound. There you have it.
J, J, J,
All right, so you saw the sound here, J, J. The sound is voiced, and as you can see, you push the air and stop it while you producing it. Let's go ahead and take a look at some words. So all those words here, they have the sound J. You can simply see jail, challenge, judge, wager, job, college, join, schedule, budget, language. At the first spot, you can see that the most common representation of this phoneme is the letter J and the letter G. However, you have other words that do not contain this sound. For example, the word schedule. Schedule is a J sound, just like challenge or jail. Let's continue. Here we have a comparison with the J sound and other sounds that at first glance may look similar, but they're quite different. Let's analyze those pairs. So the first here is bash, badge, paid, page, legion, legion, yellow, jello. It's kind of funny here, this word. We always see students pronouncing jello. All right, so here is yellow, jello. Let's have some more. Okay, so it's very important to put those words into context, or we can go and create sentences, even sentences that don't completely make sense, but in order for us to practice, we can have those called tongue twisters. Example, I am majoring in psychology at Baruch College. I am majoring in psychology at Baruch College. It sounds funny, but the trick here is to pronounce the sentence, to read the sentence, try to read the sentence as fast as you can, and continue practicing. The second sentence is, my first language is Japanese. My first language is Japanese. So pretty much here, the J sound is present here, here, and here. It is also present in language and Japanese. Great. This is pretty much the end of our short video today with some tips about the J sound. And as closure or final advice is, in order for us to practice this sound, all right, compile important vocabulary with the J sound from your field. If you're a doctor, find words related to your field that have this sound. If you're an engineer, do the same. Or you can simply find words of your interest. All right, practice these words by recording yourself. Very important to record yourself, pronouncing them, and writing authentic sentences that you can put in use. All right, this has been my presentation about the sound J. I hope you enjoyed it and at least learn a bit. Thank you very much, and I catch you in the next one. Bye.